Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex, and like always I'm very happy and delighted to make this kind of videos for you or their customers, their clients, and show you the best offers and properties at our beautiful sunny Costa Blanca region, and helping you with the buy, sell and rent for real estate properties here. Look, we are located now in Quesada, in a place that is called Pueblo Bravo. It's edge of Quesada, more to the way to Guardamar, more to the way to the coast. We are 10 kilometers away from Guardamar beach, just few minutes by car, 7 minutes by car, 5 minutes, and you can join one of the best beaches we have here in our area. Quesada center is not far away. It's about 2 kilometers away from here. On there you have a lot of possibilities: restaurants, bars, pharmacies, a lot of supermarkets, commercial centers, McDonald's. Last time it was built a lot. So it's a nice residential area where wealthy people are living. And so on this case I will show you today a nice modern new villa with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, own territory, pool, 2 accesses from main street, and the community, roof terrace, big basement. So a lot of things that this villa offers. And the best point about this is that this villa has only 2 years. It's almost new. It's from the year 2024 that this villa was built. It was almost never used by the owners, so it's on very good condition. And yeah, let's start with the overview. So friends, in this case we have 250 square meters plot. This is the main entrance from the street. The advantage of this villa is that it's south facing, so we have sun all the day. And there's much more similar villas built here by the builder, by the constructor, but this one goes straight to the street. So we have this access from the street. You can park your car, you can leave your car outside, and follow me and we will go this way to show you. We have the pool here, nice pool with very good color of tiles, looks exotic. And this is the entrance for your car. You can it's very comfortable because you have 2 accesses. You can access from the community, park your car here, and you have also one more entrance here. Or you can park your car in the street, or you can have the visits in the street. So yeah, on this case is very comfortable. This is the second door. This is the heating for the pool. The pool is heated, so you can use the pool. As you've seen, it has a cover, it has a thermic cover, and you can also use it in the winter because it has a heater. This is a machinery room with the wash machine, special ventilation system that ventilates the villa. You don't have humidity there or any problem with the humidity. This is access from the kitchen. We will see it later. And by the end, this chill area. And now follow me and I will show you the main entrance and this nice luxury villa from inside. You will be surprised. So joining the place, the first thing that you feel is the big amplitude of this living area. Because as you see, the special thing that the constructor did here on this case is that he left all this empty space and he made a big huge windows, so we have a lot of natural light here and a nice comfortable feeling of a big living space. Everything that you will see here is included in the price. The owners, they changed the floor. It's not the same floor as by the beginning where that the constructor did at the beginning. so it's a more luxury and nice tiles on the floor. TV area here, dining area, as you see, everything has a glasses. So yeah, it makes this villa very, very bright. Kitchen, of course, everything is modern. You have everything you need with the white goods. Furniture is well kept and done with the last design. This is the access that goes to the street. If we go left, we're straight where the machinery room is. And of course, the big advantage of this villa that we have fully equipped bedroom on the ground floor and one more bedroom. So it's good for people that have these capacities, or maybe old people. They always ask at least to have one bedroom in the ground floor. So on this case, we have a big, huge bedroom with access to the back terrace, so to the back part of the plot. Inbuilt wardrobes with lighting. If you open the wardrobes, we have lighting, as you see. We have electric blinds, of course, everything, and it must to be by new build now. Doors that are working with the magnet, so we have no stick here. It's a modern last model doors, so everything is how it must to be. We'll show you the basement, and you will be surprised because I mentioned at the beginning of this video 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, but the basement theoretically have 2 more bedrooms and 1 more toilet. Follow me and you will be surprised. So there is separate door that can be closed, and here, friends, you have 1 more living room on which the owner has a sofa or bed sofa. We have 1 more toilet for the guests here, TV area, air conditioning machine, windows. It's no humidity here. I don't feel any humidity, and we are now in the winter after all the rains that we got. We don't have much rain, but sometimes it rains here also. So, and the second place, you can close completely this wall, put a door here and make it separate. The owner, they did that bad. So technically we have 2 more bedrooms here. You can use it as you want. You can convert it in entertainment spot. You can have your wine here. 1,000 ideas that can be made here on this nice and ready and finished basement. It's pretty big. Let's go upstairs. Yes, friends, now upstairs I will show you 2 more bedrooms in suite with private bedrooms. So just going by the stairs, I will show you. Come on. So, and from here we also have a nice view because we have this big open place. Yeah, it's amazing. I'm surprised. Yeah, you didn't see usually this kind of plans of villas, but yes, maybe the builder, he could build 2 more bedrooms here on this case, but what he did is leave this open space area that makes this villa looks very amazing. So, and here we have 2 bedrooms. Let's start with the first one. Nice big area. Also windows. We see the street straight. You can wake up and look at the lake, a natural lake of La Mata, or at your neighborhood. And we have also a bedroom here. It's suite, fully equipped, nice bedroom. Of course, wardrobes, everything that you need. And here is the second bedroom in suite with private bedroom. I will say they have same space. Both bedrooms that are here on the first floor, they are similar, so you can choose the one that you mostly like. Here the window goes to the community, and the other bedroom goes straight to the street, so you have a little bit more privacy there, but same size. And now, friends, follow me and I will show you the nice roof terrace that this villa offers. So, oof, it's sunny here. I must put my glasses again. We have a nice roof terrace. Let's start with the views. Please check them up. How beautiful it is to be here. I see everything that is surrounded by 180 degrees. I see the natural lake of La Mata. I see part of Torrevieja, La Mata. I see where Guardamar is starting. So yes, it's amazing to be here. On this plot on front, it will be built in a near future, but not more than 2 floors. So you will never lose those views that you have here. Remember, this is a south-facing orientation. So dining area over here. The idea was to put a TV here with a sofa and have outside cinema, and you will be surprised by the end with this complete outside kitchen with freezer, with everything that you need. Some people doesn't have same kitchen in the houses, so yeah, it's a fully equipped, nice, modern kitchen. So friends, this can be your chance to buy a modern, nice villa in one nice residential area, Pueblo Bravo from Quesada. We have a lot of new build done by the surroundings last time, so we have all the infrastructure already here. You can buy a nice villa in a nice place. I see, for example, the Consum supermarket billboard from here, just 200 meters. So everything you need, you have it here in this nice, quiet residential area. Price for this villa is 290,000 euro. Contact me if you need more details. I will leave my contacts here. If you need any information about this property or any other property, don't mind to write me a message or call me. I am always available and I will kindly answer all your questions. Share this video with your family, friends and lovers. Please give us a like, subscribe our channel, of course, and I see you next time at our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.